thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to make a delicious cottage cheese flatbread. It's a keto-friendly sandwich, low carb. It's only got a couple of ingredients. I'm going to add some special seasoning in it. Later in the video, I'll show you how to make a keto-friendly sandwich out of the flatbread. Stick around to the end and watch that. So these are the ingredients for my cottage cheese bread. You want to make sure you use a high-fat cottage cheese, not low-fat. And I'm adding 1 cup of small curd cottage cheese. I'm putting mine into my NutriBullet, and then I have 2 large eggs. I'm going to add those in there. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm adding a 1.5 tablespoons of multiple seasonings, mostly sesame seed. It's everything but bagel seasoning, because I want my bread to have a little bit of texture and crunch to it as it bakes. Add those. Put my NutriBullet together. When you complete your blending process, your batter will be pretty smooth. Mine turned out extra yellow because I used my fresh farm eggs to make the batter, so their yolk is a little bit more yellow than what you'll get in the grocery store. So once you've completed your batter and it looks pourable, you'll line a baking sheet with some parchment paper and you'll pour this. And if you want yours to have a little bit more texture, you can add just a little bit more of the sesame seeds or your seed toppings to the top of it. Now we're going to place this in an oven on 350. We're going to bake it. We're going to try it first for about 20 minutes and see what it looks like. If I need more time, we might move it up to 25 or 30 minutes to bake it, because we want it to get nice and crispy for what we're going to use it for. Here's our completed cottage cheese bread with just a few ingredients: cottage cheese, eggs, and I put some spices in there. I'm going to roll this over to the other side, and right in here, as I start the sandwich, you can add your own dressing that you want on there. You can add mayonnaise, mustard, and I've got some turkey here. Just going to stack it up. Lots of nice protein. And remember, your bread is made with cottage cheese and eggs. Then we're going to add a couple of slices of fresh tomato. I like purple onion. Some say it's so hot. And then I'm going to add our nice lettuce on here. And then for mine, I got to add a little bit of salt and pepper here. You can add some like Italian dressing on this if you like. Fold this sandwich over, cut it in half. So this is that completed cottage cheese bread. Just 2 ingredients, cottage cheese and eggs. And of course I added some of the seasonings into it also. You saw me make the sandwich earlier. It comes together so nice, and the bread is really crunchy and has a nice texture to it. I use the bread to make a ham sandwich with lettuce, tomato, and onions, but you can use it for hamburgers. You can use it for the sandwich of your choice. It came together very nice. Comment below and let me know if you've ever made bread like this before, and let me know how yours turned out or if you use something different.